What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. Well, ang video din for today, request nila Fernandez Potongan, Rosely Grecia, and Roxanne Enrica. Well guys, napakarami sa inyo ang may request na compilation to. Kaya naman I hope na magustuhan nyo at syempre, may enjoy nyo ang ating video for today, which is another battle compilation with MJ Cabo and Ea Borja. By the way guys, abangan nyo para nyo the new batch na ating shoutout portion at the end of this video.
Hindi rin mauulat, olanap na olanap sa'yo. Gusto kita makita,
parehas maganda
kahit na malayo. Ikaw ay pupuntahan ko. Dahil
di ka nagkakasawang tingnan.
Ganda talaga ng mata ni MJ.
Ng iyong mga mata.
touch it, touch it, touch it, touch it. Shut up and bend over. Aye, let your back do the talking over. So back up.
Mas mataas talaga tingnan sa MJ kaysa
Let's go! キュンからの逆キュンからのバッキュンからのドッキュンからのパッキュンからのズッキュン今だ気になるあの子に膝かっキュン
sarap panoorin dalawa ko to.
Tonight, all I be that pussy, yeah. I'm going in tonight. Bitch, I'm a big gangster. I turn around with that Marlo. Cocaine, a slang, 100 of them just ordered on.
Killer, West Side Killer.
Now lick it good, lick it just like you should my neck, my back, lick my chest like that.
Yan na naman tayo sa ngiti mo. Tigilan mo nga yan.
Maliit ang mukha ni MJ.
Ka na naman. Di ako nahihiya, no?
Ganda.
Sasabihin lang ako. Basta. Makinig ka na lang. Low crush, sisigaw.
Hindi lang talaga siya magsayo eh. MJ, pagka-close up, ganda ng mata oh.
Ayan na naman tayo sa ngiti mo. Tigilan mo nga yan. Nakatitig ka na naman. Di ako nahihiya, no? Sasabihin lang ako. Basta.
Ang kulit
Makinig ka na lang.
Shawty, I promise, di ka magsisisi. Hey there, baby, huwag ka na makalinlangan pang sumama. Pangakong hindi ka ipapakama.
Now lick it good, lick it just like you should my neck, my back, lick my chest.
that foreign love. Cocaine, a slang guard. Hundred up, just around.
Killer, West Side Killer.
Forever my rider, my baby, you my little spider. You my little stepper, but you not a fighter. I love your desire and fire. I know that chick you are my rider.
Roll that dice, no cover, sex so nice. Ain't no locking DJ, beep up in my G. What is a beat? Roll up and roll
Роскомздрав не запретит.
Right now, lick it good, lick it just like you
Taas pa na pinamin. Haba ng next eh. Ataw naman sa dito.
Remember the first day when I saw your face. Remember the first day that you smiled at
Galing
me.
maglaki nga.
You stepped to me and then you said to
Yung mga
me,
pitik ng
I
katawan.
was the man that you dreamed about.
Girl, tonight, so gonna stretch it out, girl.
my neck, my back, lick my chest like that.
Sobrang puti ano?
You know what
Galing sa asin ni Aya.
Try to take you over the moon. I just want a sip of the juice, yeah. Oh, you know what I wanna do.
Galing ng balikat.
Tick, tock, tock, tock. Tick, tock, tock, tick, tick. Tock, 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 tick, tock, 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 tock.
Stand on the wall, please trying to make me the coolest kid of them all. This girl with the hair better beware, cause everywhere she be, I'ma be there like, hello, my name is Susie. That's Susie with the Z.
Forever my rider, my baby, you my little spider. You my little stepper, but you not a fighter. I love your desire and fire. I know that chick you perfect, my rider.
Nag-take ko siya doon na. Naglag
No
ito sa
cover,
kanina.
sex so nice. Ain't no locking DJ, beep, beep, beep up in my G. What is a beat? Roll up and roll up. Tick, tock, tock, tock. Tick, tock.
Taas, tignan talaga dito MJ.
Yan maganda.
Nakakatuwa
Makeup lang yan. Honey, first of all, I am not maganda. I am gorgeous!
So, yun lang guys ang video niyo for today. At syempre, it's another shoutout portion. Kaya naman, umpisa natin yung shoutout si Mara and Ren. Shoutout din kay Princess Kyla Hernandez, kay Mark22 at kay Charis Reflection. Well guys, hindi kayo maniniwala na pati si Aya Borja nagpapa-shoutout sa channel natin. Kaya naman, shoutout sa Jan Aya Borja. At syempre guys, shoutout sa inyong lahat at palagi kayong mag-iingat. Well, kung meron pa rin kayong mga requests or suggestion, or kung gusto mo shoutout kagaya nila on my next upload, just comment down below. And of course guys, huwag niyo pa rin kalimutan mag-like. So yun lang guys, thanks for watching. I hope na video kayo. And I hope to see you in the next video. Have a good one. And peace out.